Hey guys, so this is a good slamming plan for beginners of affiliate marketing like myself. Only been in this for a while, but it can be fun. There's no doubt about it. What I try to do is I try to be affiliated with stuff that I think is can help people. But anyway, what you want to do is get some affiliate links, and there are plenty of places to get those. What I'm going to show today, and then once you've got the affiliate links, I'm going to show you the places that you can go to put your affiliate links. Okay, there are quite a few. There are more and more every day. But guys, where is it? I'm just looking. Okay, so I'm going to go through this whole process of where you can put affiliate link, and a good one here is kit.com. Okay, you create a kit, and in that kit people can look at it, and then you have your affiliate link in that kit. Okay, so I'm going to go through the whole process. You come on to kit.com, obviously, and you sign up, and then okay, if you don't know where to get affiliate links from, go to this one here, markethealth.com. It's everything to do with health, and what I'm going to do today is put this affiliate link for this pet vitamins up on my internet. Can be a bit slow, guys, because I've got 1,000 browsers open, and I've got things uploading to YouTube in the background, and recording, and etc. Now, okay, so this is one site, guys. Okay, now another one you can go to is and put your links up, but obviously you got to be some of the beauty about this one is you can put your link straight in, and no one's going to worry. See how my computer's a bit slow here. So I've already made 2 kits on this one. This one here, I've got an affiliate link to Regal Assets, so I made a kit for that. Regal Assets is the top ranking for the last 10 years, gold investment and crypto investment. I've also made top health and healing kit, that's shungite and earthing. But now I want to show you, once you've got your links, you can go to this kit.com and create a kit. You can go to Quora.com. Got to be with Quora.com though. You can't just go spamming your affiliate link. You have to write a whole article, or copy and paste an article that you're affiliate to, and put it up on Quora with a link to either your website or YouTube channel, or if it's a long enough, if it's a long article that you put up on Quora, now I think they don't mind if you put one affiliate link at the bottom. Okay, but it's safer to put a link to your YouTube channel or your website. I have got ones up there though that are just straight with affiliate links, but they're long articles, not just here's my link, because they'll see that as spam. Now another good place to go to, I've started putting up material up there, is medium.com. okay, medium.com allows you to put your links, and they say that you're allowed to in their policy and guidelines. However, you have to, if you're going to put something up on medium.com, you see how slow my on Medium, you're going to, right at the beginning of the article and at the bottom, tell everyone that, let people know that you're an affiliate partner. Okay, so yeah, another good site, medium.com. You can see what I'm up against. Mics that don't work. So here it is. Come and sign up on here, and look at this. You can put any article up here, and then in your article, put your affiliate links, as many as you want, but just let them know that you are an affiliate partner with that particular company that you've got an affiliate link to. Okay, guys. Let's go back to over here. Oh yes, so here's one of mine. I put all about Shungite review, because Shungite protects you from 5G. Not totally, obviously, but it's good protection against Wi-Fi and EMF. So you put some Shungite on your router, etc. Okay, so hopefully we can get through this, and my computer plays along. So let's see if we can create a add product. No, I don't want to. I don't see. You got to be careful, because you don't want to add a product. You want a totally new product. I don't want to add to this one I've already done, so we'll go back. Create a new kit. That's what we want. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, so mine is going to be. Okay, guys. What do we put here? Pit vitamin. Now, what I'm going to do is going to copy and paste that. You'll see that soon. Kit name. Pit vitamins. Vitamins. Why not? Why not? Okay, so pit vitamins, then describe your new kit. Okay, so what we do is just, in your description you can just put whatever the affiliate, how they're describing it, okay? You don't have to brainstorm and be there for hours. You're promoting their product, so they don't care if you copy theirs within reason, Okay, so let's copy and paste that. Okay, Pit Bounce is a complete multivitamin formula, especially for your cat and dog, with a big, small, and daddy. Okay. Now we'll hit next. Sorry about my computer's a bit slow, guys, but there you go. That's one reason why I'm creating stuff. Okay. So now I need to get their link. Don't worry about this, searching for a product, because presumably you've got a affiliate link which will show you the product anyways. So let's go back to here. Let's press on this and get a link. So this is Market House, guys, and they've got just untold, endless amounts, and it's all to do with health. So you could be pasting stuff here and there all day, all night. There's so many offers. The problem I always have is, okay, it's getting links. See here, Pet CPA. So there's my particular link, guys. What I do once again is obviously copy and paste. Copy. Go back over to here. Put that in here. And then go there. Don't worry about this bit. Just put your link in there. That's the main bit. Then go press that. And they're working on it. It's quite good, because once you put that link in, what happens is sometimes they'll put whatever there is that in that link, they will put sometimes you're the first one to add this to Kit. They will add pictures, okay guys? But what we'll do in this instance, and don't freak out about, oh, well, how do I get an image and da-di-da-di-blah-di. That's quite simple too. So go back to here. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to click on this, save image as, screenshot, yeah, we'll keep it at that, screenshot, yes, save. Now we want to go into here, and look for screenshot, see if we can find this, screen dot shot. There it is there. Okay, we know it's there. So let's go back to here. And the downloads. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. They make everything look so easy on YouTube. Okay. Now, what's your story about this product? Well, we've sort of done that, so let's go back to here. And we'll just copy and paste that. You don't have to be don't have to write a peace and war novel. You know, just copy and paste. And add to Kit. Oh, edit product name. Product name is Pet Vitamins. Okay. View Kit. That's all there is to it, guys. Oh, they could also put it on, you can't put it on Facebook because for some reason, probably because Facebook doesn't let you, but you can put it on Twitter. Check out my latest kit, so you can put it on Facebook, which I'm going to. Check out my latest kit. Okay. And share Kit. Okay, so that's trottled off to that's it, guys. So there, I've got 3 on there. I've had a fast computer, normal, basically a normal, even more towards a normal computer. I could have done all that in like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, computer's slow. I'll try to edit this, and but there you go. It's quite easy. So far, I've got 3 kits on there: Pet Vitamins Kit, Gold Investment Kit, and Top Health and Healing Kit. And so what you do is go to a affiliate network marketing website like this, Marketing Health. What I like about this one is it's all to do with health. Okay, and get a link. You can also go on JVZoo. You can go on ClickBank. You can go on Share a Sale. Obviously, you have to apply. Pretty much anybody that's a pretty big company that's selling something, you can be an affiliate for, guys. And so then you can go on to here, medium.com, and put the same thing on here, but more of an article type style. Same thing on Quora.com, and it's a matter of just doing it. My goal is to get at least 100 100 kits are up and running on here. So there you go, guys. Just go out, create stuff, get affiliate link, put it on here, put it up on medium.com, put it up on quora.com, and good luck.